Welcome to the oneDPA generator powered by ContractPod AI. The oneDPA generator is a free, easy-to-use web-based tool to generate your own oneDPA based on your requirements. You can access the oneDPA generator online at contractpodai.com/create-oneDPA. For the best experience, please use the oneDPA generator from a computer. You should then arrive on the homepage of the oneDPA generator with the instructions to follow. It only takes a few minutes to generate your own oneDPA. If there is a question or field that you are unsure of, hover over the eye icon located next to each question for more details. There are additional resources available to assist with using oneDPA, including guidance about which oneDPA version to use or a playbook facilitating the oneDPA negotiations. You can access these resources at www.clawstack.com/category/oneDPA. To create your oneDPA, you need to at least complete the mandatory fields that are marked with an asterisk. Amongst these mandatory fields, you can select parameters such as whether you are a controller or a processor, or the countries where personal data will be transferred. This will ensure you generate a version of oneDPA that matches your requirements. By completing only the mandatory fields, you will still have some manual work to do after you receive your oneDPA. The Data Processing Agreement is a rather complex document with a lot of specifics. The Advanced mode has been designed to further assist you in generating an even more bespoke and detailed version of your oneDPA. To start using the Advanced mode, click on the drop-down option right under the Advanced mode and select Yes, I would like to continue. As soon as you select this option, an additional set of questions will appear under the drop-down option. You do not have to answer them. If you elect to only pick a few, you will have to finish off the process manually when you receive your oneDPA. Once you have completed all the relevant fields, whether just mandatory or also the additional options offered in the Advanced mode, hit Generate My oneDPA, and a copy of the oneDPA containing your requirements will be sent to the email address you provided. There is no limit as to how many oneDPAs you can create, and different data processing scenarios are available and ready to be generated. The oneDPA generator merges the benefits of using a standardized community-built contract along with a more user-friendly experience using technology. The oneDPA generator is free. Get started today!